Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Twoguysfinance's business online banking security features. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time on this one. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get started. Now the first thing you're going to need to do is to log into the Twoguysfinance online banking platform, and once you're there, you're going to select the business account that you want to manage, and then you're going to click on security. And next you're going to need to review the security features. Just review that and find the one that you want to make use of. Of course, one of them is that you can set up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. You can also review and update your security settings as required. And you can use Twoguysfinance's online banking platform to monitor your account activities. If there's any issues or concerns or questions you have, you can always just contact Twoguysfinance customer service, and they're going to help you to sort those out. And also you can ensure to review and update your security settings as regularly as possible. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Twoguysfinance's business online banking security features. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys